Unlock the seamless convenience of Apple Pay by conquering the frustrating cannot add card error in your Apple Wallet. First, let's ensure your foundational setup is perfect. Navigate to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay here. You'll see your existing cards and the option to add a new one before proceeding. A quick check, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. If you're not, tap on your Apple ID at the very top of settings and sign in. Next, let's verify your card details meticulously. When adding a new card, carefully enter the card number, expiration date, and the security code found on the back. Double check for any typos if you're using a physical card for scanning. Ensure the camera has a clear, unobstructed view. Sometimes a slight adjustment in lighting or angle can make all the difference. Compatibility is key for a smooth experience. Not all cards are supported by Apple Pay. You can usually find a list of supported card types on your bank's website or by searching online for Apple Pay supported cards. Also, ensure your iPhone's iOS software is up to date. Go to Settings, General, greater than Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Outdated software can sometimes cause these issues. If you're still encountering problems, let's try a network reset, which often resolves connectivity-related glitches. Go to Settings, greater than General, greater than Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset, greater than Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi networks and cellular settings, but won't erase your personal data after the reset. Try adding your card again. Finally, if all else fails, it's time to contact your bank directly. They can verify if there are any specific restrictions on your card or issues with their systems that might be preventing it from being added to Apple Wallet. Once your bank confirms everything is clear, you should be able to add your card without any further trouble.